Hello friends, welcome to all of you in the era of project management. On the request from the many of our friends, going to start step by step learning lectures on project management in this couple of weeks. Agenda of this training lecture is to teach and giving better understanding of the basic concepts of project management. These tutorials also help to those friends who are preparing for the project management professional exam or certification, PMP certification, because it will cover PMP book completely. Project management book will going to explain deep level of understanding of project management, its complete benefits and project manager role of its play in the projects with some practical test cases. During this tutorial, we'll cover various organizational structures and organizational culture and will explain how it impacts on project management. This project management tutorial or step-by-step lessons teaches you how to responsible for project and strategies within an organization. You will learn how to plan, how to meet the deadlines of projects, how to manage the budget of financially budget of the projects, how to make charter or roadmap in the agile of projects, and finally how to achieve objectives which has set by the company. We're going to see project manager's role and responsibilities related to various projects with practical test cases, different project management methodologies like agile methodology, predictive methodology, also called as plan driven approach, and hybrid methodologies. In short, you can learn planning and managing project scope, time management techniques, cost management techniques and budgeting, risk management methodology, as well as procurement procedures, communication techniques, and why and how the stakeholders engagement will require. All these things we are going to cover step by step. We're going to see practical approach or test cases of these methodologies separately, like agile, predictive methodology and hybrid methodologies. During learning, we'll also cover various types of life cycles of project management. What is the difference between the methodologies and the life cycle we are going to see in upcoming videos. There are different methodologies as well as the life cycles. So we are going to see different life cycles like the predictive, or in that you can say hybrid life cycle, predictive life cycle, adaptive life cycle. Adaptive life cycle we are going to categorize or subdivide into the three categories, that is iterative, then incremental and agile. All these methodologies as well as the life cycles which are totally going to impact on the project management, and will going to understand step by step in our upcoming videos. We also going to see the complete role of Scrum Master and every connected role and responsibilities of project roles connected with the Scrum Master separately, like product owner, then product backlog, as well as the sprint planning, then sprint backlog, a daily scrum, and what is the role of the scrum team. All the scrum methodology we are going to see in the upcoming lecture. We are going to cover Agile Manifesto and principles behind the Agile Manifesto. Also going to focus on the challenges to face during the execution of Agile model. We'll cover in which scenario Agile is suitable and why, because during Agile implementation we are having various you can say various methodologies like the waterfall model, Agile model. So why we are going to choose Agile, and after during taking the execution what are the various types of problems will occur and how to resolve it, all we are going to see step by step. We'll also cover various phases of Agile life cycles like the exploration, planning, iteration and the production release. With practical test cases we are all going to see. We are also focusing to cover other Agile methodologies, because Agile is the main methodology, and like it will affect the other methodologies like the programmatic programming, DSDM, then adaptive software development, XP programming, Scrum, Crystal and feature development. So all these are going to see in upcoming lectures. So this video is, you can say, it is just giving a basic idea of the project management. So if I can say project management, then simply what is project management? The term, what it represents? It is the process of steering the project from the start through its life cycle, and we have to be very much focused on the time, budget and quality of it. Then why project management is important? That is the second question. It will come in our mind. The answer should be, it helps to ensure, or you can say it is confirm that our project are complete on the time or within a budget, and as per the expected quality. So it will ensure all things during the project management. So this is for today's. So we'll going to see step by step learning of project management in upcoming videos. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.